There are several legitimate ways to make money online in the US. Here are some popular ways. 1. Online market trading. Learn about the Forex market, cryptocurrencies, or other financial markets and engage in online trading. Keep in mind that trading involves risks, and it's essential to educate yourself and develop a solid understanding of the market before getting started. 2. Stock trading and investing. Learn about the stock market and invest in stocks or other financial instruments. Keep in mind that investing involves risks, and it's essential to do thorough research and consult with a financial advisor if needed. 3. Online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a specific area, such as business, health, or personal development, you can offer online coaching or consulting services. Platforms like Coach.me and Clarity.fm connect coaches and consultants with clients. 4. Create and sell digital products. If you have a talent for graphic design, writing, or creating digital products like ebooks, stock photos, or music, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy, Shutterstock, or Gumroad. 5. Online surveys and microtasks. Participate in online surveys or complete microtasks on websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Clickworker. While the earnings may not be substantial, they can be a way to earn some extra cash. 6. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for various services such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and more. 7. Affiliate marketing. Create a website or blog and promote products or services through affiliate links. You earn a commission for every sale or action made through your referral. Amazon Associates and ClickBank are popular affiliate marketing platforms. Start your own online store and sell products. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy to set up your store and reach customers. 8. Social media management. Help businesses or individuals manage their social media presence by creating content, scheduling posts, and engaging with followers. You can find social media management opportunities on job boards or by reaching out to businesses directly. 9. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content, you can monetize it on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or TikTok. You can earn money through advertising revenue, brand partnerships, and donations from your audience. Remember that success in making money online often requires persistence, adaptability, and continuous learning. It's important to find a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. Additionally, stay vigilant and be cautious of scams or get-rich-quick schemes that promise unrealistic earnings. Hey, but before you switch off your phone, there are still several ways to make legitimate money online. Without wasting time, click here to watch more ways to make money online legitimately.